Alright, hello everybody. We are here at a BP station at the corner of Manchester and McCausland, which I think is still in St. Louis city limits, but if it is, it's by like a couple feet. We're right on the border here. Anyway, they have a car wash here, so I just filled up and bought a wash at the pump, so we're going to check out what kind of system they've got hiding behind this place. Pretty tight little alleyway back here. Oh, I see a very faded Ryko banner. Really awkward entrance here. This is an old entry station. It kind of looks like they updated their wash, but left the old pay station in place. It's actually a little hard to even see. Enter code. Vehicle in front must exit first. That's first. Alright, well, I've got a wash code. So, 17523. Alright, well that worked. One thing that's interesting here is that there really isn't any description of the washes that are available, so I guess you either have to buy them at the pump like I did or buy it inside. So all I can tell you is the Supreme was $11. There we go. funny. I guess they decided to change the dryer time, but they couldn't change how long that sign stayed on, so they just put a piece of computer paper over it with a new time. Dryers didn't work particularly well here. That is really funny. You can kind of tell this thing is being maintained on the cheap. But that said, the actual brushes on the system are in surprisingly good shape. In fact, they practically look brand new. And the system seemed decently maintained. What I was having a little bit of trouble figuring out there, because they didn't invest in like a wash status sign to show you what's going on. Those last few passes, every single pass looked like spot-free water, but I'm assuming that some of those passes were, whether it's like clear coat protectant or Rain-X or something, but it's just, there's no description of what the wash is, and there's no description of the cycles inside the bay, so who knows what it was actually doing. The car looks clean though. $11 is a little bit steep for the area, but not too bad. So that was an interesting one. Anyway, let me know your thoughts as always, and that is it.